Yeah, that's way.
With your
Okay.
lips, with your lips closed.
Kick hard.
Lips closed, please.
Kick hard.
Well
Yay!
done.
She's so fast.
And then the other side.
Can you go to the other side now?
I don't think you can go as far as the other side, can you?
You go all the way to
All
the
the way
end.
across there, kicking your legs.
But keep your lips closed.
I bet you can.
And Mummy's filming, so
Kick.
kick.
I can't.
You can!
Kick your legs hard. Come on, we're here. Kick your legs
We
hard.
just saw you jump the farthest.
No,
Go the
You're
other
going
way.
the wrong way
If I
again.
turn you around, you
Turn
go that
round.
way. Look.
And we are standing here in case you have a problem. You kick hard now. Hard.
Wow, well
Keep
done.
On this
going.
way, keep going.
You've got as far as Nana, that's nearly halfway.
Keep going, kick your legs hard.
Come on, kick once more, keep your legs closed. You're nearly up to me. Come on.
Well
Hey,
done.
nearly up to me. And just a bit more, nearly at the other end. Just keep going. Kick. Now turn around and see where you are.
Look where you are.
Wow.